10 foolproof weight loss tips to shed belly fat naturally. Start your day with lukewarm water. This helps kickstart your metabolism. A fast metabolism is key to quick weight loss. If a plain glass of water is getting too monotonous for you, you can even add a dash of lemon or infuse it with grounded ginger. Lemon and ginger water are also known for these metabolism boosting and fat burning properties. Have a protein packed breakfast. Include more eggs, oats, beans, and lentils in your breakfast as they are packed with protein. Protein tends to take longer to digest and thereby push your body to secrete the gut hormones peptide YY which make you feel full. If you feel full, you crave less and this helps facilitate weight loss. Add fiber-rich foods to your diet. Load up on fiber-rich foods, grains and vegetables. Fiber takes the longest to digest, which induces the feeling of fullness. This feeling of satiety prevents you from binging later. Choose good carbs and good fats over refined and processed ones. A big part of weight loss is rooted in healthy choices. Both carbohydrates and fat are crucial macronutrients that our body requires for basic functioning. These trans fats and refined carbs, trans fats are usually found in junk food, instant noodles, and store-bought pastas and cookies. These foods generate empty calories and do no good to your body in terms of nutrition. Choose healthy fats like cheese, nuts, and avocados instead. Some of the healthy carbs are sweet potatoes, whole grains, and whole dals. Include more water-rich foods in your diet. Eating water-rich foods such as tomatoes and cucumbers during meals can help reduce your calories intake while making you feel full. These veggies are naturally rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers. Have meals at shorter intervals. Try and reduce the intervals between each major meal and try to have 5 to 6 short meals every day. Observing long gaps between the meals can drop your blood sugar, which could also slow down the metabolism. Opt for natural sugar alternatives. Refined sugar generates empty calories. Too much of sugar go on stored themselves as fat cells. Opt for natural sugar alternatives like jaggery, maple syrup, or coconut sugar. Avoid artificial sweeteners too. Drink healthy beverages. Use skim or low fat milk and milk products to prepare your tea or coffee. Cutting back on sugar is also a good idea to prevent empty calories. The antioxidants present in green tea and herbal teas like chamomile and jasmine are also known to cut belly fat. Cut back on salt. Try to cut back on salt, especially during dinner. High sodium leads to higher water retention, and since our metabolism begins to dip in the evening, it is best to go light and salt free. Choose steamed, boiled, or grilled over fried food. It is always a good idea to steam, boil, or grill your food, especially your veggies. Frying your veggies may lead to loss of nutrition, not to mention the calorie pileup.